Welcome to our delicious Italian sausage stuffed mini bell peppers recipe. Let's get started with this mouth-watering dish. First, we need to prepare the mini bell peppers. Cut off the tops and remove the seeds so we can fill them with stuffing. Next, cook the Italian sausage until it's nicely browned and aromatic. The aroma in your kitchen will be irresistible. Now, let's make the marinara sauce. Start by heating some olive oil in a pan. You'll need crushed tomatoes, minced garlic, chopped fresh basil, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of sugar. Start by heating some olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook until it's fragrant and golden about a minute. Now, let's combine all the ingredients for our delicious marinara sauce. Start by adding the cooked garlic to the crushed tomatoes. Stir gently to mix the flavors. Next, add the basil and oregano. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes, allowing all the ingredients to meld together beautifully. This will create a rich and flavorful base for our stuffed mini bell peppers. Now, in a big bowl, mix the cooked sausage with some fluffy rice and a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese. This combination will create a delicious filling for our mini bell peppers. Now fill each mini bell pepper half with the sausage mixture, packing it in tightly. Look how colorful and inviting they are. Place your stuffed peppers in a baking dish and pop them into the oven. Bake until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Just thinking about it makes me hungry. And there you have it, beautiful, delicious Italian sausage stuffed mini bell peppers with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Perfect for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy your meal, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.
Discover your genius in the kitchen.